Have you been looking for a tool that can help you find keywords that you can easily rank for and have good traffic volumes, but you don't want to pay the high prices that SEMrush or AHrefs is charging? Well, I've got a great video for you today where I'm going to show you a free tool that can do keyword research and provide you with the number of searches monthly in the United States or other English speaking countries, as well as the competition levels and also the cost per click if you were decided to do some Google advertising. So let's go ahead and jump into this. This video can save you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars every single month. So okay, so kind of an idea of the cost typically associated with doing this kind of keyword research. Jumping over into this is the Ahrefs pricing page, and you can see they start out at $129 and run all the way up to $15,000. And these are a year, but these other prices are per month. And then you have SEMrush, and this is going to start out at $140 a month and go up to $5,000 per month. So you can see typically it's fairly expensive to do keyword research. Granted, these tools do more than just the keyword research. You get a lot of data from these. However, if you're just looking for keywords that have a lot of searches and low competition or low cost per clicks, if you were to advertise, then I do have a great solution for you today. It's absolutely free. So let's jump into that. And the website that you want to go to is called Free Keyword Generator for SEO.com. So pretty long name. However, I'm sure it does well with the ranking in the search engines. But really, that's not what we're here for. What we want to use this tool for is to discover high impact keywords and boost your search engine rankings. And what this can do for you, you can find the main keywords, long tail keywords, and AI suggested keywords. And you can then determine the search volume, the cost per click, and the competition levels for each of these. So let's dive in and I'll show you how this is done. All right, I'm going to switch it up. I had dogs, but I'm going to go ahead with cats. And that's going to be our primary keyword, and I have it set to the United States. So we'll analyze this keyword, and we're going to see that in November so far, we've had 3.3 million. October, we had 4 million searches on the main keyword. So down here, we can select on the main keyword and we can see the search volumes, the cost per click, should we decide to advertise in this for this keyword. Also the competition, which is quite low. Obviously, this goes up to 100, and the lower the number here, the lower the competition for ranking in that keyword. Now, so we've got the primary keyword, cats. Now we're going to find long tail keywords by clicking on this button here, and that's going to populate our long tail keywords by selecting on this tab right here. And we're going to see search volume for long tail keywords in your vertical or in your niche, which is cats. So we can see 110,000, cost per only 7 cents, and a pretty low competition level. Not all of these are giving competition or cost per click, but you can see across the board, most of them are. So you can find these low cost and low competition keywords and then do some blog posts or other videos that can rank for those keywords. Now, once you're in the long tail keyword results, you can also click on generate AI suggestions, and that's going to give you a whole nother tab of AI generated keywords that you can focus on as well, and maybe find some gems in here that are easy to rank for, low competition, low cost per click. So we'll go ahead into the AI suggestion. We're still on the dogs, so it hasn't updated yet. It's still updating. This may take a minute. Oh, here we go. So now we've got 94. How to get rid of cat pee smell. Okay. That would be a more valuable cost per click than 43 cents. But it's very high competition, as you can see. And then we have lower competition, 8,100 searches, only 2 cents cost per click with a 1%. And it is, why do cats like boxes? So that could be a great blog post if you're selling pet related products and generate some traffic to your website through that type of blog post. 81 keywords just in the United States, or 8,100 search volume per month in the United States alone. That's pretty awesome. So this video helped you out if you've been looking for alternatives to those high costs of starting out with SEMrush or AHrefs. And this gives you a simple tool you can use to go ahead and find those keywords that you can start ranking for. Thanks so much. I hope you liked the video. Go ahead, like and subscribe, and check out the rest of my channel where I provide insights on AI tools that can help you grow your business.